Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your ride. One child?
Yes, ma'am.
That'll be 50 cents. Thank you. Enjoy your ride.
One adult, 2 children. I'll get him.
Oh, just get in line, get in line.
Hey, buddy, wait your turn.
Give me 10. Give me 10.
Get him out of there.
No, just take it easy. Not now.
Well, just don't bring it up again.
No.
What's wrong?
You bring it up.
Where's your mother come with us? I guess she just doesn't like books.
Take it, please.
All we had to do was ask for this kind of we can get it.
Take it.
What do you want for lunch?
Straight ahead.
Duck, okay.
Bring it down.
Take it, son. Hey, here you go.
Hey, listen, I'm
This
just
should be
But
fun.
if you would try to take some money once in a while, then I wouldn't have to be the one.
Take it all. Don't touch it. Sorry, sir. All full. You'll have to wait for the next boat.
We want this one.
I'm sorry, I can't take any more passengers. There'll be another boat in 10 or 15 minutes.
What is it?
Howard, my wallet's gone.
Are you sure?
God, of course I'm sure.
Look, we'll go back over every step we've been over and see if we can find it somewhere. Come on.
Be gone. You don't want people alive.
Come on, hurry.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Al. Our tour through the downtown San Antonio River shall take approximately 25 to 30 minutes. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to ask me as we go along, please do not hesitate to do so.
I'm going to get close to the boy. When I give you the signal, create a diversion.
Winds its way 3 miles. to the
How?
center of
I don't care how, just as long as people aren't looking at me.
Which is the 10th largest city in America with a population of over 1 million people. Famous worldwide, the Riverwalk is the pride of the city. Sir, would you kindly have a seat? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call your attention to the